Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are the best. Well, we will today learn a lesson of 9th standard, which is life processes in living organism of subject science. Okay. So in the last lecture, we have seen the absorption of food and other materials by the plant. Now we will focus on the other subtopic in this lecture. So tell me, how come the plants excrete other substances, excrete the waste material? You may have seen several times that whenever autumn is there, autumn season is there, several leaves are fallen on the ground. Means this is leaf fall. I'll show you in a picture of leaf fall further. So this is what we call means substances that is waste materials will be excreted. So excretion in plants we will learn in this chapter. The leaf fall is nothing but excretion. Excretion in plants. Okay, so several substances like resin, gum, etc. in the form of latex or other substances is secreted by the plants. Means it is a waste material for that plant. Okay, so as we have seen, as we know that excretion is an important process, because the waste material is poisonous for the organism. That's why it must be excreted from the body. So as we are focusing on this excretion in plants, we will compare that excretion in plants is simpler as compared to excretion in animals. So here we will write excretion in plants. What did I tell you now? It is simpler than animals. Means whatever the secretion process will be there in plants, it will be simpler than in the case of animals. Okay, and the second point is, in plants there is no any special organ or organ system for excretion. So we will write no organ or organ system for excretion. As in the case of animals, there are various organs and organ systems for the excretion purpose. So here organ system or organ will not be there for excretion purpose. Clear up to this? And the third point is the gaseous substances. Means whatever the gaseous material will be there, waste material, will be given out by the process of diffusion. By diffusion. By the process of diffusion. Clear? We have learned up to this 3 points we have learned of excretion in plants. The first one is it is simpler process than animals. No organ or organ system for excretion is there. Then gaseous substances will be given out with the help of the process which is called as diffusion. Okay, clear up to this? So I am rubbing it for further points. If you have any difficulties related to this topic, You can ask in the comment section below. For further references, I am sharing a YouTube link in the description box. Okay. So the fourth point is, most of this waste material are stored in vacuoles. Most of the waste material is stored in vacuole. Vacuole, you know, they are empty sacs inside the cell which stores anything, stored in vacuoles. Means they are like this, they are, and in this waste material will be stored. These are what? Vacuoles. Here waste material will be stored. Okay, clear up to this? Then the fourth point is, some of the other waste materials like resins, then wax are also the waste material inside the plant body. And as you know that these waste material are also given out through roots into the soil. Means some of the waste material will be given out through, what did I tell you now? Through roots. As roots are in the soil, it will be gone to the soil, in the soil. Okay, clear up to this? Then now I will show you some of the waste materials are harmful for human beings and or other organisms, you can say, and some are useful for living organisms. So I will show you those pictures and their examples too. Okay, clear up to this?
As shown in the figure, in some plants, waste materials are present in the form of crystals of calcium oxalate. They are called as raphides. As they are needle-shaped, they can prickle. Some of the waste materials are useful, for example, gum, resin, latex and rubber. Homework: explain excretion in plants.